Are you searching for utility and comfort but don't want to have to sacrifice style? Have a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT in black onyx crystal pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, power heated mirrors with manual foldaway, 17-inch black painted wheels, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 6.5-inch touchscreen, navigation, backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, third row stow and go with third row tailgate seats, power sliding rear doors, second row power windows, remote start stop system, power liftgate, 3-zone automatic temp control, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5406.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.